Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Today we're going to be diving back into the pantry. We're going to be using a few of our infused condiments to make our easy bake cannabis infused meatloaf. You ready? Here we go. Let's get started right now. The first thing you want to do is subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to get future notifications of upcoming videos. But here we go for today with our easy bake cannabis infused meatloaf. First we're going to chop up 1/4 cup of chopped onions. We're going to take those chopped onions and we are going to saute them very lightly in 2 tablespoons of infused olive oil. Once again, on a very low heat. We want these onions to absorb up that oil nicely and simmer. There we are, looking good. Okay, until they're soft. And once they're softened, we're going to place them on the side and we're going to make our panko breadcrumb and milk mixture. I didn't have the milk clip, but I added 1/2 cup of milk to the panko and set it on the side. Now we took 1½ pounds of ground beef and we added our sauteed onion and olive oil mixture to that. 2 eggs we added as well. And we added 2 tablespoons of infused sugar, our cannabis sugar, approximately 60 milligrams. After that, we added 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Use whatever kind you like. Now we added our milk-soaked breadcrumbs and I topped this off with a little bit of our infused sea salt. We're going to mix this all real well. Alrighty, mix it all good so it's firmed up nice. We're going to form it up nice. Spray our baking pan. We're going to slide our meatloaf onto our baking pan. Alrighty, now we're going to prepare our topping after it's all formed up. With this, we are going to use 1/3 cup ketchup and another tablespoon, approximately 30 milligrams, our infused THC sugar. Mix this well, and we're going to spread this on the top of our meatloaf. Now, after we're done spreading this on our meatloaf, we're going to place our meatloaf in an oven that's been preheated at 350 degrees. And we're going to cook our meatloaf for 45 minutes. Our meatloaf's going to come out of the oven looking beautiful in 45 minutes like this. We have 6 portions at approximately 39.5 milligrams of THC per portion. Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef, thanks for joining us today on Easy Baked Meatloaf Infused with Cannabis. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and click the little bell to see upcoming videos. We got plenty more coming for you.